Tens of thousands of times a day, people need to isolate cells.
They do it for life sciences and drug discovery research, they do it for healthcare, they do it for diagnostics, and they may do it for food safety testing.
Akadeum Life Sciences was created to make cell isolation better, faster, and easier.
In the winter of 2014, our team joined the National Science Foundation's I-Core program to move Akadeum's lead technology close to commercialization.
When we started, we were nearly there.
We developed a kit, an isolation system for people like us, academic researchers. It looked like the systems we used, it behaved like the systems that we'd already used, and basically it did the things that we saw every day when we looked across the hall from our offices into our labs.
When we arrived in Berkeley, we had 6 weeks to contact 100 end users.
To convince ourselves of one thing, that we were really, really smart.
The problem was, we had no idea what we were talking about.
Seriously, get out of the building.
In the first 25 interviews, we crossed the Bay Area to talk to academics like us.
They told us what we already knew.
We actually were pretty smart. And then came interview 26.
We throw away so many cells.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
And they said, we have to throw away thousands of dollars in cells every day.
Oh, what if we could get them back for you?
You could do that? What we learned, what made all of the difference, is that a major shortcoming of all current cell isolation technologies
is the amount of unusable cells they produce.
For example, for every unit of red blood cells, typically $1,000 of usable product will be discarded as part of the process.
Time and again in subsequent interviews in the US, in Europe, in Asia,
and in over 130 interviews, the story is the same. Akadeum Life Sciences is ideally positioned to double the yield of current cell isolation methods.
reduce waste, and double primary cell revenues. We are Team Akadeum.
And we are GO!